good, y'all? We back, baby. Back on the strip. Get there. Finna go to the lot, meet up with I think Sean up there. Got a couple other people coming out. It's like 88 outside. It's hot as hell out here. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get to the lot. I can no hand on this bitch. If you hear the band, just click it up.
All right, man. Easy to ride to the Banshee. I need to get a 400. I'm about to get a 400, man.
I told you.
It's so easy. What'd she do?
Go. I got it. She in third. We in third, cuz. And you know, I'm letting her ride, and you know, I can hear the band getting ready to kick in. I say, hit the brakes. She say, where the brakes at?
Oh, no.
So we turning, cuz, and she put her foot down like I did. I said, don't stop. I had to grab. Yeah, you see? Trying to tell you, in a split second, this motherfucker, we would have went over, okay? If I didn't grab the clutch, we would have been on the pavement.
I was already grabbing.
No, you was not. Oh my God. Listen to me. You can't tell.
I'm trying to aggressive.
Oh my God.
I'm telling you, we wasn't on the clutch because the bike was still going. If you was on the, yeah, you on the clutch. Yeah, you on the clutch. Going still, the bike was still going too damn fast for you to be on the clutch. That's why I grabbed it. Because it puts, when you grab the clutch, you automatically in neutral. And then you said, where is the brake? What the, now show me where the brakes is at.
I know where this one is. And this one.
It's the same one.
I couldn't feel it.
You shouldn't be taking your foot. It should be over it. It should be hovering over it at all times, like that. It should be on it.
You didn't tell me that the first time.
Well, I'm telling you now. I didn't know shit. I'm sorry. Yeah, it should be over it.
Yeah, because this brake I just couldn't feel.
Or it don't gotta be over it, but when it's time to stop, nigga, you need to know to hit that motherfucker.
I feel like I was looking for it with this foot.
That's wrong.
I
Cause that's what I was telling you. You kept saying you.
Are you putting air in?
Taking air out.
Why?
Nigga, your shit feel like a pillow when you go over a curb. My shit feel all types of rough.
Hey, bro, don't be on my bitch trying to smooth her out and make yours like mine, alright?
I never took air out these tires before. Since I got them.
Yeah, you probably did have bricks in that motherfucker.
That's what I'm saying. I never took them out. I didn't give a fuck.
Cause I remember you had them in the back too.
Yeah. So it's like 60 PSI in this motherfucker.
Ooh, girl, I need a drink. Take me to the car. He was there. He had to go get my truck and take me to the hospital. The second time I told you I ran over my shit when it was out of gas. Yeah. I had to sit. That shit was so disgusting. I had to sit. I could hear my bones shifting.
You can't take a picture?
He did, but I didn't like that shit. He got a picture. I told him don't send it to me. I don't want to see
the only way I can find it is if you tell me your mom number.
937.
You want to see it?
Yup.
Look, man.
Oh my
That shit
god.
nasty. Let me see. I never looked at it. That's gross as fuck. This
Definitely.
nigga nasty. He was like, "Can I stay in here while y'all do the surgery?" I'm like, "What?"
Cause they
you
had to
gotta
put
go
it back in
home.
place. I just wanted to see the shit.
Yeah,
And this
They put
nigga-
you to sleep?
hell yeah.
To put it in place?
Yeah.
No, they didn't.
I swear to God they did, cause I woke up and was like, my shit fixed already. They're like, no, you just put it back in place. You
They
ain't
gave
even
you
had
them
surgery.
drugs.
Yeah,
They
they
had
put
them
me
off
to
the-
sleep, and they popped it back in place. And I woke up, it was all bandaged. I was like, oh, I'm done. They was like, nah, you ain't even had surgery yet. I was like, oh shit, I had to come back like 3-4 days later to get surgery.
Oh my god.
When the police come,
Nigga, they said they was 300 deep, nigga.
but that was street
There was all
bites.
kind. No, there was some. We was the only car.
Where the fuck was I at? What was this?
Nah, that
was
was
Monday.
We went up to
Oh, I
Dodge.
was out of town. We was
Memorial.
in Oh yeah. Okay.
We went up to Dodge, and then after that, it was probably like 30
Me and
of
Brooke,
us.
my girl was with me, so we was just actually riding around, cruising around, and then we ended up running into the pack. And when she seen that I met up with them, I started doing wheelies next to them and shit. She just broke up. She can't turn around and went home.
At
Yeah.
that point, it was like 30 of us.
Yeah,
and then
she
they
just turned around and
fucking
went home.
Bro, they
She's like,
came
fuck it,
in
he's cool.
every
Yeah,
angle, dog.
exactly.
Like they wasn't playing. They had motherfuckers stop on the like every other car that was stopped on the
Yeah,
side
like,
of
they
High
chased
Street
me
was
for like
cops,
20
and they
minutes.
all pulled out, bro. And it's because that shooting that happened.
Yeah,
They're on a curfew right then and there too. I didn't know that.
That's what they- that's
my
what-
mom
that's
told me
what,
that. She said you
it was
dumbass riding around south and fucking Short North.
That's what Cushy was telling me. They got a
Is
curfew.
it?
No.
Yeah, they got a.
I
They
ain't really had a curfew either.
I didn't hear my
Yeah,
mom tell me
Cushy
about
was.
that shit.
Cushy was telling me that the other day. I said, bro, I ain't hearing that shit. How they gonna shut down the whole high street? That's your
Bro,
shit,
that is not
nigga.
playing around.
That nigga walking from over there?
Yeah, he said he wanted to go park it over there. And I feel it. No, you know you can't leave no truck over here. I feel it.
Nah, I was.
Parked it at the gas station.
I would have took my bike and rode the bike back.
But he said,
It ain't that
he
far.
said, stay right here. We here. Hopefully the police can pull up by that time.
No. I'm not walking from over there.
Yeah, I
That's
feel
what I'm
that-
telling
that
you.
makes sense, too. I ain't walking
That's the
with
only
you.
part I'm amazed at. I walk from over there, not from the fucking gas station.
Yeah, you gotta start that thing.
Gotta turn the gas on.
I didn't never turn it off. That's
I turned it off.
Okay.
Turn the gas on.
Damn, you gotta turn it off like that?
Nah, I just
You just
Okay, how you turn the gas?
chill.
you just twist that to the right. There you go.
See, my bike, you don't gotta do that. Gas already on, ready to go.
It's fuel injected.
Okay. I'm gonna try this again.
Yep.
Look. When you do it, make your foot flat.
Make it flat.
There you go.
That's
And just
Be
kick
rough
that
on
bitch.
it. You remember how you said you was rough on that thing? Be rough.
Shut up.
You gotta get. There you
Okay.
go.
Let go of
Yeah.
it. Once it starts, let go of it.
Okay.
Bam. Now put your foot back
And always give it some good gas, like just a little bit, so it knows what it's doing. There you go.
I wouldn't be able to teach her that. I don't know how to kick
Cause sometimes it'll start, but it'll want to die immediately if you don't give it a little bit of gas.
Okay. I did.
Because we don't.
You ain't get it. Your thumb wasn't even on the gas. Look at her hand. Look at her hand.
Because on mine, she don't gotta do that. That's
Your
what I
hands, they
told
go
her.
in.
Oh, you can do that on this one too. Put it in neutral.
That means you probably. Yeah, you got. Oh damn. You gonna be able to kick it while I'm home?
Nah, it's not neutral.
No.
Click it down. Now click it up a half.
Show me where it's off.
It's easier with your middle of the foot. I said the middle. You gonna do your toes?
Oh, you meant the
Like,
middle.
yeah.
It ain't doing that though. It ain't doing. Okay.
There you go. That's neutral.
That's
Now
neutral.
start it. I'll show you how to do that.
Yeah, you should try to do
You ain't kicking hard
All right. Now, here, hold the clutch. Now put it in first.
enough.
You don't gotta even no gas here.
Yours ain't sweet like that.
Mine's super sweet. Let go of the clutch. I got it.
You ain't got it.
Two people on it.
Hold on, wait. You got the gas, girl. Be careful. You hear how you
You see
shit.
how you be stressing me?
I don't want it to pop up on us, nigga.
Yeah.
That was the perfect gas.
Yeah, that was
I don't know.
that was the perfect amount. So you can start it.
I didn't say don't hit the gas. I just said she
You
owned
can,
the gas.
you can start it in first. You just put it in second.
Clutch, remember?
You just put it in second, I think. Oh nope,
No,
never
put it in
mind.
neutral.
Oh, you perfect. All right,
Yeah,
yeah.
she
Now
got
start.
that's what I
She-
said.
Hey,
I said, damn.
okay.
I am
It
trying
used to be
to.
hard.
It took me longer to figure that shit out.
Fact.
Yeah, I still
Me
can't
too.
figure it out.
Okay. Don't be stressing me today.
I ain't gonna say you all asked what you did.
Damn.
I ain't ain't say nothing. Up.
You can start it in first. You just gotta hold the clutch.
You gotta hold the clutch,
If you do that and slowly let it go, you got more play. But you'll flip it. Okay, wait. Okay. My bad, Sean.
See what I'm saying?
My bad, Sean.
See what I'm
My
saying?
bad,
That's why
my
I'm teaching
bad,
her not
my
the
bad.
gas.
Okay,
man.
look. I just look. I got you.
No,
Let go of the clutch.
let her take off though. We gonna get it take off.
Okay, good.
Just go. Let her figure it out.
You don't have to let it go like crazy. Look,
I'm trying to go slow.
Yeah,
give it the same amount of gas. Hold the gas in.
right there.
And just let go slow. Let go slow. More gas. Go. Gas.
There you go.
That bike is crying right now. She's probably like 170 and that nigga's like 220. He's not lying, he's like 200. I ain't even get gas. Cop just crept up on me.
Said what?
The nigga said, I'm just making sure I'm getting you on camera. Nigga pulled right behind me.
He said that to you?
Yes.
He's making sure he's getting you on camera?
Yeah, the nigga was at the light. I sat there with the pump in my hand. He turned and then turned left on this side and then got right behind me. Was like, I'm just making sure I'm getting you on camera.
That one cop, and then there was like 12.
And I just put the gas tank up and kicked my shit and left. I just spent around. He went that way.
Helicopter.
Yeah.